Hello everyone, today we are back with another laptop review. This week we are taking a look at the Dell Vostro 5310 13-core i7 laptop. Now this machine is slightly smaller in size than our usual machines as it's only 13-inch. However, this machine is much easier for travel purposes as it is lighter, thinner and smaller. This laptop was bought for £933 in the UK on Dell's official website, which is about average for a machine with a Core i7 processor. Let's take a look at the specs for this laptop. It has an Intel Core i7 processor, 4-core, 8-thread, Intel Iris Xe graphics with shared memory, 16GB DDR4 4267 RAM, 512GB NVMe SSD, 13-inch Full HD wide view angle display, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 and a 4-cell 54 Wh battery. Time to unbox the laptop. This laptop comes in a small Titan grey design with a smooth plastic outer casing. It also comes with a fully numeric backlit keyboard. Onto the ports. So on the right of the laptop, we have a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A and a 3.5mm headphone/microphone combination jack. And on the left, we have a HDMI 1.4B and two Thunderbolt 4.0 ports. Next are the benchmarks for this laptop. This gives you a good idea of how well this machine will work in terms of power and performance. The Cinebench results show that the multi-core test for this machine gave a score of 5,277, which is great as it ranked second on the graph. The single-core test gave a score of 1,468, which is again really good, ranking second on the graph. We also tested some further performance benchmarks, and the next one we tested was 3D Mark. 3D Mark tests how a particular machine will run in a game. The result for this one was 1,659, which is quite a lot higher than the others on the graph. After this, we then tested PC Mark, which tests more business-tailored things such as conference calls. The results came back at 5,540, again ranking very high on the results graph. We then tested Geekbench, which is tested in both single-core and multi-core. The results came back with a single-core score of 1,633 and a multi-core score of 5,930. This machine again topped all of our previous tests. And last but not least of the productivity benchmarks was Crystal Disk Mark, which tests the read and write speeds of the laptop. Results for this are displayed on the screen here. Now, of course, we can't forget about the power benchmarks. The first one tests how long it takes for the machine to charge from 0% to 100%. This laptop took 2 hours to fully charge, which is a good standard time for a laptop, as you can see on the graph. Now the other way around, we tested how long it would take the battery to drain completely after running at full power. This machine took 3 hours and 50 minutes to completely run out of battery, which ranks second from the top of the graph. The final power test that was done was the YouTube video test. This is where we leave a YouTube video running for as long as possible until the machine runs out of battery, to see how long it takes. The results for this show that it took around 11 hours to run out of battery fully, which again is second to the top of the graph. And that brings us to the end of this video. It is pretty clear that overall this laptop is a great machine all around, whether you're wanting to use it for gaming or just basic use. The price certainly reflects the quality of this machine. We hope you found this video useful, and if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and make sure to hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video. That will be all from me. Have a lovely week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!